Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's me, Risa. Look what I just made, my delicious mango smoothie. Super easy, 3 ingredients, check it out. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make a delicious and quick 2-minute keto bun. Okay, I've heard all the rave of low carb buns, and you can make a lot of them, or if you're in a hurry and you want something quick, you're having a burger and you don't have any buns, this is an easy, simple microwave recipe, okay? So let's get started. What you're gonna need is 1 extra large egg, okay? And I'm just gonna whisk it with my cute little whisk here. All right, I love things that are super fast and easy. And I have 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons. And for those of you on WW, it's going to be 2 smart points, depending on what you use. Now I'm just sprinkling in a little bit, less than 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and another little sprinkle of some onion powder, and a little bit of some oregano, okay? Because we want to have flavor. And we're just going to mix that up. Just mix that all up, okay? You can see how fast and easy that is, okay? Really, really simple. All right, we're just gonna stir it and mix it in. All right, because we want to incorporate all the ingredients. So I'm just gonna get a tiny little spatula so that we can scoop it all out. And what I've done is I take a microwave bowl and I spray it, okay? Now the last ingredients, 2 ingredients, is I'm gonna add some bagel seasoning, all right? Everything bagel seasoning, and some cheese. Now if you wanna add cheese inside your bun, you can do that. It's up to you. And if you wanna make more than 1, do 1 at a time, of course. And I'm just sprinkling on, I buy this Zerto low-fat cheese in Toronto, but you can use whatever you want. And I like to just sprinkle that on top. Sometimes I add it in the middle too. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle on some everything bagel seasoning. And you see how fast that is. So I'm gonna just microwave it for 2 minutes, all right? And then once it comes out of the microwave, not the oven, I mean, you can make ones that you can find to make in the oven, but this is so fast and easy. And you know, I love fast, easy, and delicious recipes. So it comes out fluffy and you can cut it in half, eat it right away. Or what I like to do is, is I like to toast them. I like things with a crunch. And I also like to eat things open face. So you can see that they're nice and toasted and brown. And that's how I enjoy it, all right? But again, you know, you can do it how you like to eat it. You know, if you want to have it with a burger, a veggie burger, you can check out my recipes and add that on top, my quinoa burgers. You could make eggs and add that on top. Anything that you love, all right? And again, it's really low in points. And those of you on WW, if you're on the green team, the green, and you want to cut the points down even more, you can use egg creations or egg beaters. 1/4 cup is 1 egg, all right? So that's another tip that I have for you guys. So super easy and delicious, versatile. You want to add other kinds of ingredients to it. You know, I always tell you, you add what you enjoy. This is what I enjoy, all right? And we only have a few seconds left because I want you to see it coming out of the microwave. That 2 minutes, you're gonna have the most delicious bun ever, all right? So we're gonna just wait a few more seconds. And all my ingredients and directions are under each video. All right, okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna show you, dun, da, da, da. There it is. And then I'm gonna take it out because it is hot. So you want it to cool a little bit. So the wider the mug, the wider the bun is, okay? And I like to just let it cool for a few seconds and then use a bread knife to cut it, all right? And that's the before, and that is the after, my friends. So I hope you love my recipe. Please share it, tell other people, comment below. I want to see your comments if you have questions. You know I have my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, for more motivation, inspiration, and support, all right? So I'm out there to help you guys on your journey, okay? Mwah! Love you guys. Take care.